What's going on, guys? Jake Tiesler with the latest Mustang and automotive news. I've got some special exclusive content. One of the subscribers to the channel reached out to me through Facebook and shared his photos of his 2018 Crimson Red Mustang GT Performance Package 2. This is an exceptional looking vehicle. It looks so much better with these offset wheels, the design of the wheel, the splitter, the spoiler, the whole package just looks awesome. And I just wanted to share the vehicle with you. So let's check out all the pictures of the vehicle and just get some feedback from the owner and what he told me. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post basically relevant Mustang and automotive news and keep you updated. So reach out to me if you have anything like this to share, because I think it's really cool and I share it directly to the audience. So if you have a special order vehicle like this one or any news, some of the vendors reach out to me and share some of their shop cars and the performance numbers and some of the parts and the sales, and I can share that to the community and hopefully get all the news and the discounts to you. So let's keep it on track with the PP2. Basically, this was a special order car, and as you can see, it looks exceptional. This is crimson. You know, if you're just browsing through the Ford website, when you look at crimson, it might not look too good, but man, when you look at these pictures, this car looks exceptional. I would love to have this color. I love these dark colors like the guard green that they used to have. Now they're gonna have dark Highland green. I think that's awesome. This crimson is great. I love this magnetic. My favorite thing about the car is definitely the wheels, the aggressive splitter and spoiler. So let's talk about what he told me. He ordered this in Freeway Ford in Denver, Colorado. It was a special order on 12/27. Now it is a GT Premium in crimson. The options that he did was the Premium, the 401A package, active exhaust, and security package. He passed on the safe and smart package, and then he didn't get the Recaros because he wanted those seats that were air conditioned, which is why I got the Premium, and that's why I did not get the Recaros on my vehicle. So he also had a 15 Premium Performance package just like I had, and his feedback is basically that it's more stiff, so the MagneRide is set up for the Performance Package 2. So I'm assuming if you've got MagneRide on your 2018, and if you were to compare that to the MagneRide on the PP2, it's dialed in differently. It's going to have a different setting. So that's, you know, there's no test out yet from Motor Trend or anyone else really to directly compare them. But this is just owner's feedback, which is cool. That's why I like when you guys reach out to me, because I can share this information that's kind of fresh. So we're figuring it out here together. So send your information to me as you get it, and I'll share it with everyone. He also said that these tires, the Pilot Sport 2s, that they track quite a bit different, or that they track quite a bit. And you know what that's like on the interstate. If you're going down the interstate, and I think it's called tram lining, where the steering wheel will basically pull itself out of your hands a bit and the car will just dart off to the left or right when you're going 75 miles an hour. Now, that can be fixed with the alignment, and that's probably what it is. It's an aggressive alignment, but some of you suspension gurus can chime in exactly. And basically, that was the complaint, that the ride's very stiff and it tracks quite a bit, and the tires are noisy on the highway, but the MagneRide is amazing. So that's what he gave me for the feedback, and that's the same way that I've heard the GT350 is that it does dart left to right a bit, and the steering wheel will jump around on you. That's the only complaints I've had from the GT3. So it sounds like from the GT350, you know, they use some of the same suspension settings or alignment settings, and the fact that it's got 305 squared all the way around, that will make a huge difference when you have those big tires up front in a square setup. That'll make for that kind of a feel. But anyways, I just wanted to look at these pictures. I mean, it is just such a good looking car. I was really surprised on how that crimson looks. As you can tell, it's got the splitter, the aggressive splitter, and the spoiler looks so good. It looks like you went ahead and tinted the front windows also, or all the way around rather, and it just sets the whole car off. So, and he got the active exhaust. So such a good looking car. I just wanted to share the driver's feedback. I don't think many people have their hands on these yet, and just show you guys the photos. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Do that now. Hit the like button if you like. Give me your feedback. Which color of the PP2 would you get? Which color do you prefer? And until next time, have a good day.